What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is about the LG V60. Now, this phone is due to come out very, very soon. How soon? Well, a user on Reddit found out by doing a search of on LG V60 AT&T that it's going to come out March 20th, and he put a screenshot of the said Google search, and you can see right here it says it's highlighted in yellow, only 8 days, and I guess he did this on the 12th of March. So yeah, right around the corner for the LG V60. If you don't know about this phone, it is a flagship phone, dual screen, so 2 screens at once, Snapdragon 865. It's got decent high quality specs. Just the dual screen gets me excited. What about you guys? Next little bit of information is about the OnePlus 8. Now, this comes from Max J, who tends to leak out some things, especially on Twitter, and he's saying that April 15th will be the launch date of the new OnePlus 8. Sounds about right. This will be a flagship phone, should be very well priced. It's gonna come with 5G. Are you guys interested in the OnePlus 8? Let me know down below. Next up, with all this, C-word talk, and I'm not even gonna see the word just in case I get demonetized on this video. But yeah, with all the C-word talk, the big flu-like thing going around, well, it looks like there is some, light at the end of the tunnel in terms of companies actually doing nice things, and this is starting off to be pretty cool. First of all, this is coming from Engadget, who's reporting on this. They're saying that Comcast, for people that are on their Internet Essentials program, which is usually lower income people, they pay $9.95. They're actually going to up their internet speeds from 15 download to upload to 25 upload and 25 download and 3 upload. So that's very, very nice of Comcast to do that, to increase the speeds. And then AT&T is taking a slightly different approach where they're removing data caps, meaning they don't care how much data you use. Generally, you can use anywhere between 150 gigs all the way up to 1 terabyte, and then you end up paying $10 per 50 gigabytes more over that, and it can get quite expensive. They also offer unlimited data, but for all their customers, they're not gonna offer unlimited data usage. I fully expect every other company to do this as well, especially with a possible USA shutdown. There's rumors right now they're gonna completely shut down the US to fight this thing. And then also the fact that if other companies are gonna do this, then are starting to do this. Usually it trickles down, just like with wireless carriers. If somebody offered unlimited internet like T-Mobile did, everybody else followed as well. So this will definitely, most likely, I would expect, trickle down to more companies as this goes on. And the last story of the day, if you have a Galaxy S20, there is a new update rolling out. It's not that update that most people want. There's one in Korea that updated the cameras. This doesn't do that. This is another separate update, and it's currently only being rolled out for Exynos versions of the phone. I checked my phone, even though I have the Snapdragon, to see if I had any new updates. I still don't have anything, but if you have the Exynos version and you get this update, let us know in the comments down below what you noticed, if anything, of changes, because based off the screenshot, it just says stability improvements, bug fixes, maybe some enhanced features, things like that, enhanced performance, nothing too specific. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, new videos every single day. My question now to you, what are you guys doing to prepare and, get with this, craziness that's going around the world? Let me know in the comments down below. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace.